to the subject. Remainders. See? Remainders. And I have a theory why we use remainders. For example, you're in a grocery store, right? And this is a real life example. And you see a deal that a drink that normally costs $7.99 would have would be I'm just going with $3.99 for the rest of the week, but only if you buy 4. So what I'm gonna do is say this. Just gonna add 1 cent. Giving us a whole $1. Yeah. So that comes to $4. As you see, she needs to buy 4. So I'm just going to times 4. See? But instead, so you gotta buy 4. If you don't know, if you're in 4th grade, you should know the answer goes 16. But what if you added tax? Tax probably like $1. Right, it's ranging from, your overall tax ranges from $1 if you buy multiple things to I'm just gonna say 14. Let me know down in the comments if tax is more. I'm just saying. I don't even think tax is that high. I'm just being reasonable. So, yeah, this is the taxes due at the grocery store. 14, but they needed to divide that to see how you can equally split that into 4. So, divided by 4, it's not going to give you anything. So, you might think, oh, we just do -2, and bam, 12, got 3 right there. Why do that? And you can say, 3 or 2. And that extra tax could be put to something else. Say, for example, you bought 2 more things, like a boy's sweater that was worth $5 flat, and a girl's sweater that was worth pretty sure girls care about how they look more than dudes, so I'm just gonna say $7 flat. I'm gonna range the price, the sizes. Let's just say small, because if you ever went to stores, ever asked your parents how much it costs for might be getting the same thing as your sister, and you wear a bigger size than your sister, and you always be like, $12. Your sisters be like, $11. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna put girl, boy. Girl, boy. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do next, let's say there was something in text. How about 50 cents worth of tax? Wait, no. Matter of fact, yeah, 50 cents worth tax. But here's the twist. They bought some fruit cups, which is fruit cups. In fact, just so $1. And say if there was a tax of 99. 199. That looks like a 9. I'm not an idiot. Yeah, so 199. But say if you bought something else, like a race car. It's like 9.1. That's 9 on tax, 1 cent. That's $1 worth of tax. That's $1 worth of tax. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's a whole nother dollar that you're adding to tax. That's your remainder. So, yeah. That's the whole point of it. That's not the point of remainders. Let's do another problem. I really should have just done this. Okay. So, write this in the bracket. About 100 divided by 6. We gotta find the dividend. So, off the top of my head, I know 6 times 12 equals 6 times 12 equals 72. So, minus 72. That's a huge amount. So, $28. And I know 6 times 4 equals 24, which means 4. See? 4. That's your remainder, because you have number 6. Which means your which means your answer is 16 with the remainder of 4. Just so you know, remainder can be represented like this or like this. As long fix up that order. Okay. Excuse me for my sloppy writing. I'm not an idiot. Know how to write, just not neatly. Okay. So, yeah. So that remainder. So we got our answer. I'm gonna try something else. What's another one? Just take that bracket and 31 divided by I gotta put it in here. Just do 42 divided by 5. This one is fairly easy. You know, 5 times, well, you should know 5 times 8 equals 40. So, minus 40 equals t. That's your remainder. So your answer is 8RT. This one is much easier. And I'm gonna erase. Yeah, you can practice this at home yourself. Yeah, so since we solved it, 2 of them, I'm gonna walk you through another one, and then you're gonna get. So 63 divided by 8. So off the top of my head, 8 times 70 is 4 times. It's 54. So 8 times 7 is 54. 7 equals 54. Yes. 54. So, wait, numbers. 6. Yes. That didn't. Okay, so that's 9. And another problem I know off the top of my head is any idiot off the street should know this one. Because I'm pretty sure everyone knows, well, in the early stages of multiplication, when you first learn this, you should know that 8 times 1 equals 8 because there's only one group and of 8. Oh, there's 8 groups of 1, and this is called your product. Factors, not gonna spell out the whole word, product, but I'm gonna teach you that. So minus 8 equals 1. That's your remainder. And over 9 or 1. I challenge you to do this at home. This is a little bit easy. I'm gonna write it both ways. Two. 19 divided by 2. Two. 19. 14 divided by 14 3. 14 divided by 3. Okay. Yeah, if you want to try to solve that one, if you had already tell it to you. Equals 4 R 2 equals 4 R 2 equals 9 R 1 equals or 9 or 1. Yeah, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.